Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragon City on your laptop. To begin, you will need to use an Android emulator, which is a software application that mimics an Android device on your computer. This virtual environment allows you to download and run mobile games, including Dragon City, directly on your laptop. It's a simple and effective way to enjoy your favorite dragon breeding game on a larger screen with improved controls. When selecting an emulator, consider popular options like BlueStacks, Nox Player, or LD Player. BlueStacks is a very common choice, known for its ease of use and strong performance across many games. Nox Player provides excellent customization features, allowing you to tailor your gaming experience. LD Player is specifically optimized for gaming, ensuring a smooth and responsive experience for Dragon City. Choose one that best fits your computer's specifications and personal preferences. To install, first download your preferred emulator from its official website. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After the emulator is installed, open it and sign in using your Google account, just as you would on a new Android phone. Then, navigate to the built-in App Store, search for Dragon City, and install the game. For the best Dragon City experience, optimize your emulator settings. You can often allocate more RAM and CPU cores within the emulator settings to boost performance. Customize keyboard controls to your liking, making gameplay more intuitive and comfortable. Always ensure your laptop meets the emulator's minimum system requirements for stable operation. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications to free up system resources, ensuring smoother and more responsive gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.